So guys, yung day 1 pala namin is gabi na kami nakadating, mga 10:30 PM or 11. So pagdating namin sa hotel is natulog na lang kami agad. So ayan, day 2 na po to, mostly day 2.
World. So Philippines about like 1 month to 2 months to your country depends on the size of the statue. Yeah. And on the right side here we call this one Marble Mountain, everyone. Marble Mountain. But Marble Mountain is like the nickname only. The real name of Marble Mountain is Ngũ Hành Sơn. Can you repeat it? Yeah, Ngũ Hành Sơn. Ngũ is number 5. Han is elements and Sơn is mountain. So Ngũ and Sơn means 5 elements mountains.
Nagra-run across. Ibig sabihin, pwede nating i-tie ang silk. So, pwede tayong din para magawa yung double cocoons. And we have a purpose for why we're doing that. Kasi kailangan natin ng mas madaming silk para magawa yung palaman ng comforter. So, instead of using cotton, polyester, nylon, down, or whatever fillers you have, meron din tayong silk version pa. Yes. So yung mga taong nakikita nyo dito, mga world leaders na nag-attend ng APEC Summit during the time. At yung representative natin is si Madam Gloria. Wala pa po siyang braces dito. Siya. At syempre yung mga kasama niya dito is yung mga lumang world leaders before, katulad ni Bush. At syempre naman makikita mo yung dalawang creature sa loob. At mapapansin nyo na yung isa dito, hindi pa po siya nag-transform. Uod form pa rin po siya. Yan. Tatanggalin po yan. Set aside. At ito naman is nag-transform na siya into pupa. Ayan po siya. So magkaibang age po yung dalawa. Ngayon naman, hindi natin itatapon yan because usually dito sa Vietnam, they still eat this one pero hindi na siya kinakain directly. Kailangan lutuin ulit. It's either stir fry or roasted ang style. Ngayon naman, ang uod habang nasa loob ng cocoon, tumatahi po yung mga yan. Tatanggalin din natin to, ikaw ba'y pakuluan, hindi ka matatae. Tatai ka talaga. So, syempre naman, tatanggalin at set it aside. We do not throw them away too, kasi nga, it's considered medicine here in Vietnam. And some local people use this as tsaa. Ginagamit siya for tea. So, wag nyo namang isipin na yung tsaa yung iniinom ay galing po sa silk.
So guys, this is the coconut basket boat ride. So if you visit Danang, make sure to ride this one. Siguro isa to sa mga highlights ng trip namin. Ang babait ng mga Vietnamese people, guys. Lalo na sina kuya. Talagang ina-entertain nila kayo. Hindi kayo mabobore throughout the ride. So this is like around mga 30 minutes both ride. Talagang sulit, guys. I swear. Bigyan nyo lang sila, guys, ng tip. Tuwang-tuwa na sila. So, don't ever miss this, guys. Promise, mag-enjoy kayo. And about the weather, guys, hindi kami inulan dito. So, super swerte. kung maaraw man, nakikita niyo maaraw dyan guys, hindi mainit. Kasi yung weather niya is like Baguio weather. So talagang ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Talagang mag-nature sightseeing sa ganito kahit nagdaan. Ang sarap ng weather guys. At
Wesley, hello!
What? Wala pa yung what? What?
Yeah, sure. Picture.
Pambuhay!
Wesley, look. Hello. Wesley, hello. We're gonna release the lanterns later. No, you have to hold it. Look. There you go. Put it on the water. Slowly. Slowly.
so before you release the lanterns guys is sabi nila make a wish daw and your wish will come true. So ayun.